Aren't they loading up? Hmm. 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 Aren't they showing up? Interesting. Ugh. Good morning. Good morning. For some reason, my interactive brokers is not working. Can't see contracts or anything. Very weird. Might not be able to trade today. Why aren't the contracts loading up? Hmm. That's weird. Oh, oh, hold on, guys. Good morning. Good morning. How you guys doing? Disconnect. Yo, 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 yo. Are you guys able to hear me? Is the mic working? I bet. Good, good, good. Yeah, the only thing we're looking at again is it's AVGO. AVGO looks good. But I'm having a technical difficulty with my brokerage. It's not allowing me to load contracts. I don't know why. Very weird. Might not be able to trade today. No idea why. Maybe I'd open, maybe it'll fix itself. But I like to have my contracts prepared before market open, but whatever. I guess I might not be able to trade today. I'll still tell you guys what to get into, but I'm having some technical difficulties here with my brokerage. But yeah, we're like an AVGO here. If it opens under 177.76, again, we went the same thing as yesterday. The spike higher back under the open, and it has room all the way down to 168.93. No, you interactive brokers. Why you don't want to work? Hmm, that's weird. Hmm. Does not want to work. Oh, yeah, I guess I won't be trading today. Unfortunate. It doesn't want to work. My brokerage. Hmm, that's weird. Let me see if Thinkorswim will work. Okay, yeah, Thinkorswim looks fine. I guess it's just interactive brokers. Oh, what are you gonna do? All right, let me run to the bathroom real quick and take a quick leak before the market opens. I'll be back. All right, guys, we're back. Oh, oh, oh. Hmm. Oh, okay, AVGO came back. I thought it was gonna run without us. Where's my cursor? Oh, there it goes. I thought AVGO was gonna run without us. Like 1 minute left for market open. Hmm. I like Meta, but it's not near our 608 level. And I thought Tesla was gonna open over 276 to look for longs for Tesla. Again, my brokerage is not working today, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to trade today, guys. Sorry about that. I'll still tell you guys when to buy, whatever, but my brokerage is not working. I have like 5 seconds left. We want AVGO to open on the, whoa, there you go. You would like the retest and back below the open. Yeah, my freaking my option chain is not working. Can't get in any plays, man. This blows. Why is it not working, man? Yeah, won't be able to trade today, man. That sucks. Oh well. Right, AVGO did the same thing yesterday. It broke over and then it got back below the opening, and that's when we got in. Don't know if it's going to do the same thing today. Yeah. Let's look at CRM. CRM's the other one that looks good for puts. But it needs to break and retest this 279.34 CRM. Again, guys, my brokerage is not working, guys. The contracts are not loading up for me. Let me show you guys. This is my option chain. And nothing's loading up for me. I closed it a bunch of times. You guys can see no contracts pop up. I type AVGO, but nothing pops up. No contracts. So I'm not able to trade today, guys. Sorry about that. I'm not sure why that's happening. I guess, God don't want me to trade today. Can't force it. God does not want me to trade today. Let me look at some AVG. Let me go on Thinkorswim and look up some AVGO puts. The 175 put doesn't look bad, guys, at 1.75. I'm gonna alert it, but I won't be able to take it. Damn, it's already at $2. It's moving. This is why alerting options is very hard, man. It's already at $2. Literally in seconds. Literally, I'm so mad I can't take it. Ay, ay, ay. Interactive Brokers did me dirty today. Would have been up nice already. Interactive Brokers did me dirty. Let's turn this into, let's make this pink. And let's send the contract over there. Okay, this is going to be the AVGO contract. It's going to let me know where the contract's going to be moving since I can't use my Interactive Brokers, guys. Interactive Brokers did me dirty today. Hmm? Why is this one pink as well? Shouldn't be pink. It should be unlinked. It should be SMH. Can't take anything, man. So disappointed. Oh well. Any of you guys in the 175 put I gave you guys? Any of you guys take it? Hopefully you guys were able to get in it. I unfortunately can't. It should continue to go lower. AVGO. Just set up a 2 minute 1, 2, 3 to the downside. Also, SMH broke that 218.38. QQQ don't got support to 477, 98, 97. And ES don't got support to 5670. So it's room, it's a lot of room lower. And my brokerage still being gay, man. Why are you not working, bro? What the heck? Could make some nice money, man. Could have made some real nice money, bro. That's some BS. Whatever, man. Whatever. 2.35 on AVGO. Matter of fact, 2.4. Beautiful. Wow. What a move on AVGO. You can look to trim here if you like. I'm so disappointed in interactive brokers, man. Ay, very disappointed. Just about 50% on AVGO. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. 2.8 on AVGO. Wow. Damn, I'm mad if I can't get in. Damn. Bum ass interactive brokers, man. Shh. Damn. Wow. 2.9. AVGO is printing, guys. 3.0. Got some gains here. Damn, man. Remember, AVGO has a lot of room lower, guys. But remember, take your gains, man. From 175 to $3, that is beautiful gains, guys. Beautiful gains, beautiful gains. Nice 70% on AVGO. Beautiful gains. Unfortunately, your boy ain't get in, man. Stupid interactive brokers, man. Hmm. What is wrong with you, bro? Why you not working? No idea what's going on today. AVGO sucks, man. I mean, interactive broker sucks, man. Oh, well. Oh, there goes that break-in retest I told you guys about CRM. Beautiful move on CRM to the low. Trump and these tariffs, man. Trump and all these tariffs. The market is not liking the uncertainty of all these tariffs. At least you guys made money on my behalf. Ay, ay, ay. I throw your gains at three. Nice, man. Take your money and run, bro. Now I got a little FOMO, man. Your boy got a little FOMO. I watched it go all the way down. Watch CRM do the same thing. I was looking at CRM, AVGO. I had gotten an alert on CRM. I was looking at this 279 level. Yeah, man. Puts with the move today, man. QQQ Inspire broke support, so remember AVGO has room down to 168.93. But just don't let a 70% trade go red though. That'll be dumb. Some of you guys are a bunch of degenerates. You are the man, Yodi. Thanks, Justin. Post them gains, man. Post them gains. You guys, it be against your religion to post gains, man. Y'all don't be showing me no love, man. Y'all don't want me to grow my Discord, even though I don't really be promoting my Discord at all. I think I'm the only trader that barely promotes his Discord. Barely.
I mean, you missed the big move on AVGO. My boy Caesar said he wants me to grow. Caesar, you haven't posted not one profit, man. Not once. Talking about he want me to grow. I was looking at AVGO and CRM. They did the move. Unfortunately, I'm not able to trade today for some reason. Interactive Brokers just doesn't want to work. I have no idea why, but I'm able to look at contracts on Thinkorswim. Unfortunately, I took out all my. I don't have any money on Thinkorswim. I'm only using it now just for charting. I only have my money in Interactive Brokers. I guess that might have been a mistake. I guess I might have made a mistake by not leaving any money in Thinkorswim. Because if I would have left some money in Thinkorswim, I would have been able to trade today. But more on Instagram, I don't even. I be feeling, to be honest, I feel corny posting stuff on like on Instagram. I feel corny doing. I just feel corny doing videos in general. I'm weird. Sometimes I'll be thinking about just not even giving alerts, not even having a Discord, and just trade on my own, focus on myself. But I'll be like, why not? Just keep doing the Discord. Brings you a little money on the side. Yeah, because a lot of traders can't handle the pressure of having a Discord, you know? So it's a lot of pressure. You gotta find good plays. You gotta find good plays for people. You gotta show them how to manage it because some people don't know how to manage nothing, man. You gotta literally, pardon my friend, you gotta hold them by their private parts and literally walk them through everything. So having a Discord is hard work, man. It's a lot of stress. That's why a lot of big traders don't even have a Discord. I'm so mad. Freaking Interactive Brokers, man, did me dirty today, man. Hmm. Oh well. You appreciate me? Thanks, Caesar. Thank you, sir. I'm gonna have to call Interactive Brokers later, man, and see what the heck is going on, man. Or maybe I have to fill out because they be sending me mad emails to fill out some information that's missing on my account. I'm like, man, I got time to be filling out all this stuff. It's probably what it is. They probably want me to finish filling out some stuff. I might have to go back and put some money in them. I think it's on in case this BS happens again. If SMH breaks this 216.8, then all the chip stocks are gonna take a big hit. So it needs to hold its 216.8 at SMH. I was hoping the market does this higher low here so we can continue going up, but it don't look like it wants to. The market looking like it's just doing a nice little bear flag. Hoping it continue. It just hope it makes higher lows, man. I want the market to go back up. Even though we don't care if the market goes up or down, we're still gonna make money, you know. But I would prefer if it goes up because then my long-term portfolio keeps going up, you know. But I would prefer if it goes up. But we're gonna make money either way. We make money either way. As long as the market doesn't chop around, we're gonna make money. But if the market chops around, then my strategy doesn't work as well. I don't scalp anymore. Man, I'm gonna be mad today, man, thinking about this for a while, man. Missed out on an easy 70% gains, bro. And literally, what, 4 in 6 minutes, missed out on 70% gains in 6 minutes. There's money in SPX. Ooh, ooh. You guys ain't ready for SPX, man. First of all, most of y'all, but not, 90% of my followers have very small accounts, so I don't know. I don't even look at SPX. And sometimes I'll give you guys an alert, but I'll sometimes I'll personally take another call, a call that's closer to the money, which is way more expensive. It'll be like $400 a contract. I won't alert to you guys because I know some of you guys, most of you guys have small accounts. So I'll find a contract that looks good and has good volume for you guys. And then sometimes I'll personally get a contract that's closer to the money. But the benefit for you guys, since it's out the money, the if it goes out direction, you guys are gonna be your percentage is gonna be bigger than mine's. The farther out and the closer it gets to that target, the more, the more IV, the more the contracts move. So your contracts are gonna move better than mine. They're closer to the money. But if it goes the opposite ways, then you guys are gonna take bigger hits than I take. But yeah, sometimes I don't alert the some of the contracts that I take is that they're too expensive. I'll give you guys I give you guys cheaper contracts. Let's see if anything's showing strength. Okay, Baba's showing strength. It's above yesterday's high. What else is showing strength? Baba. It says Target, Tesla. Oh, yeah, Tesla. Yeah, look, Tesla did the level that I told you guys about. This 276.52, but I would have preferred if it would have opened above that level. Can we trust Tesla here with QQQ and SPY both rejecting the opening print? Hmm. It's a nice little breaking retest here on Tesla. I just don't trust it, man. I do not trust it, but it's showing relative strength, Tesla, compared to the overall market. 30% on $400 is still good. Yeah, it's not bad at all, man. It's about $120. Who else can make $120 in 6 minutes? You still waiting for another? You want another signal? Uh, right now the market is it's back at the opening, so it's gonna be kind of hard. And don't worry, don't be impatient. I wasn't able to trade either. I just watched AVGO print on its own without us. Okay, the market is above the opening. Tesla looks like it wants to run. If you want to take Tesla, it has room to 286. It's been it pumped without the market. So if you're interested, if you guys are interested, Tesla has room to 286. Yeah, any green in this market. Yeah, March has been crazy. January, February, and I also overtraded. Remember I told you guys I was only going to take A plus setups. I've hardly seen, I can count on one hand how many A plus setups I've seen in March. I can literally count in one hand. AVGL was an A plus setup today and yesterday. I was able to trade it yesterday, but not today. This is one A plus setup. Remember, always want to open below the level. We want to spike higher and then back below the opening. This is an A plus setup. But besides that, man, I've overtraded this month. I'm green for the month, but I'll make way more in January, February, taking less trades. But I just been getting I've been getting anxious, man. Waiting for A plus setups is hard work, man. Waiting for only A plus setups is hard work when you spend days and days without seeing any A plus setups. So this month I didn't follow my rules. B setups, yeah, yeah. But I've went over all my data, man. I got data for years, man. I have a lot of data. I track all my trades, and even when I size down, I notice that I make way more just waiting for A plus setups, and I save myself a lot of stress mentally, physically. I just save myself a lot of stress. And you when trading, you want to be in a good mental space, you know? You always want to be in a good mental space. Yeah, this week I don't think I've given a red trade. I think I'm like 4-0, 5-0 this week. Yeah, I haven't given any red plays. I mean, any bad plays this week. Fortunately, the market been moving good. Nobody should be red this week. Unless you took trades on your own without me, then that's on you. ES needs to break over 57.64. QQQ needs to break over this 485. But AVGO is weak, man. Compared to the other chip stocks, Nvidia's over the open, the chip stock. And AMD is over the open, is a chip stock. TSM is not, though. So TSM and AVGO is showing weakness. Yeah, I'm gonna see tomorrow. If tomorrow my Interactive Brokers is still not working, I'm gonna have to call Interactive Brokers and see what the heck is going on. Maybe I have to fill some paperwork out. And Trump announced the market tanked yesterday because Trump announced a 25% tariff on vehicles. So a bunch of automakers took a hit yesterday. So anytime he says anything about tariffs, the market takes a dump. But I get it. I get it. I get what he's trying to do. He's trying to bring all that money back to the US. He wants those automakers to come bring their factories here to the US. Most of them are in China, you know. He don't want China to keep making all that money. So he wants all those automakers to come to the US. Huh?
Market data connection lost.
That's my
Market
interact
data connection reestablished.
that's my interactive brokers. It's just bugging out, man. Bro, you're not even working. Why are you saying all that? My man's interactive brokers. Hmm. Let me see. Anything else that's showing relative strength? The one that's showing the most strength is Baba on my watch list and Tesla. Those are the two that's showing the most strength, Baba and Tesla. Would have been nice if Baba would have gave a break and retest here, 134. Hey guys, I'm not seeing much today. It's saying UPST is showing weakness. Let's look at UPST. Yeah, UPST did a nice move, man. Open below the level. Yeah, would have been some good gains in UPST. What else is showing weakness? UPST. It says PNW. Let's look at PNW. Yeah, PNW as well. PNW never gave the retest at the level though. So PNW, this would have been a chase right here, you know? This would have been a chase. So Apple was just chopping around, man. Sheesh. What a chop fast on Apple. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything good right now, guys. Besides EFs, if it can break and hold over 57.64, then it has room up to 58.30. But if ES was going to reject, it would be here around 57.64. So keep an eye on this level. And for QQQ, it would be 480, 498 if it was going to reject. So keep an eye on these levels here. But now I'm not seeing anything. The only one that told you guys it looked good was Tesla here when it's breaking retest. And it was over the open while the market was under the open. So Tesla, like I told you guys, has room to 286.43. I would trim some now at around 282.5. I would trim if you did listen and take Tesla. And again, your stop loss is going to be a break and hold on the 276.52.
Oh, oh, man. I'm not seeing much, guys. Not seeing much. AVGO is relatively weak compared to the other chip stocks. The other chip stocks are pretty much over the open, but AVGO is not. Hmm. You guys see anything good? Is there anything on you guys that you're watching that looks good and showing strength? On my end, I'm not seeing much. I have a specific watch list with like 55 names that I religiously watch and chart, and those are the mostly the only names I trade. And Tesla, yeah, remember your stop loss is going to be under 276.52 if it breaks and hold under this level. And again, keep an eye on this 57.64 and this 498.90, 490, 484.98. Keep an eye on that. Hmm. This is the market's coming up on rejection here, so be wary of that. There goes AVGO showing that weakness I told you guys. Yeah, a lot of stuff rejecting. Yeah, but I told you guys be aware of these levels here. Because if the market was going to reject, it would be from these levels. It goes AVGO on that break of the low. It broke the low of day.
SMH, for puts to work on the chip stocks, SMH needs to reject to 1838, and then it needs to break this 216.8. Here goes AVGO, dumping. Beautiful move on AVGO. Beautiful move. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day, man. I'm having a FOMO right now. I'm not able to trade, and I'm watching these moves happen, so I'm stepping away. Hopefully, you guys made money, man. Peace out.